Hi guys, I'm just going to show you what I use from the Dollar Tree for fall decorations. These are not placemats, but I'm going to use them as placemats. I think they're cute and obviously they're only $1, so if they get ruined, it's not a big deal. I did buy 3 flowers from them. This is my vase. I have a lot of vases. I picked this one, so I'll probably pick up one more sunflower because I have 2 of the red ones and then 1 sunflower, so I probably need 1 more sunflower, but definitely brings out the pretty fall colors. Also, some other things I get on sale on off season, this eat pie, drink wine, be thankful. I love fall. I know I just seen the tags on, I leave tags on them. 50 cents. This says giving, blessed, grateful. It says it was $2.50. I got 3 of them, so I'm pretty sure they were probably less than that. Then my actual placemats that I got that I was going to use instead of those are kind of folded up because I should have put them away better, but it says they were $2.50, which is still a really decent price. And then this cute fox, he is $2.19, and then fall is in the air, which I'm sure that was 50 cents also. The only other thing I bought this season is my candle from Bath and Body Works, and that was $9 because they were on sale for $11, and then I had like a 20% coupon. So yeah, if you guys want to see other items I get off season or from the Dollar Tree just to help decorate on a budget, just let me know.